Good morning, students. In our last class, we have done till exercise 13th, question number 6. Now, today I am going to start from question number 7, exercise 13. See, students, in question number 7, what they have given you, that there is a given figure. What is the figure? It is here. Okay. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. It is a straight line and one ray, that is OC, stands on it. And when one ray is standing on it, that means two angles are formed here. Did you see the two angles? Yes or no? Which angles? COA and angle COB. Now you all know the measurement of straight angle, it is 180 degree. Okay, so total of this two angles will be 180 degree only. Linear pair property. Now if angle AOC equals to 2x minus 10 degree, that means instead of giving the exact measurement, what they have given you? They have given you that the measurement of angle AOC is 2x minus 10 degree. 2x minus 10 degree. Okay. And measure of angle BOC is 3x plus 20 degree. So what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of x. And when you find out the value of x, you will put the value of x here and here, and you can find out the measurement of angle AOC and angle BOC. Now let's start doing. We will see how we are going to find this measurement. Okay, so let's start. Students, I am not writing the question, and some students were asking me that ma'am, we have to write full question or not. So in case of word problem or in case of such questions, you can write question in short form. Okay. Now question number 7 we are doing. Okay, I am drawing the figure. You also draw. Suppose this is a straight line and name is A, O and B. Now from point O, I am drawing one ray, that is OC. Now when I draw this ray, I will get two angles. Which are those angles? AOC and COB. They have not given you the exact measurement. What they have given you? They have given you the value, that is 2x minus 10. And here they have given you 3x plus 20. So you have to find out the value of x, and then you will put the value of x here, and then you will find out the measurement of angle COA and COB. So how you will do this? Solution. Angle AOC equals to 2x minus 10 degree. You can write in the bracket given. It is given in the question. So you will write given. Then angle COB or BOC, you can write either way. Angle COE equals to 3x plus 20 degree. Why? Given. Now you all know that measurement of angle AOC plus angle COB equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? 180 डिग्री है, स्ट्रेट लाइन का जो भी मेजरमेंट होगा वो 180 डिग्री. Why? Linear pair property. Linear pair property. Now what is the measurement of angle AOC? We don't know, but we know the values, that is 2x minus 10 plus angle COB कितना है 3x plus 20 equals to 180 degree. Okay, now what you will do, you will take the like terms together. जो भी like terms है, अब like terms क्या हो गया, जैसे x और x आप एक साथ लिखोगे और जो न्यूमरिकल फॉर्म है उसको एक साथ लिखोगे. That means I will write 2x, 3 के साथ में किसकी साइन है, प्लस की साइन है, तो 2x प्लस 3x लिखूँगी. और यहाँ पर क्या बच गया, -10 और +20. So that I will write, that is -10 plus 20 equals to 180 degree. Now you will solve this. 2x plus 3x will become 5x. Minus into plus will become minus. So 20 minus 10 will be 10. And you know what will be the sign of the greater number? Plus sign. Okay. So it will become plus 10 equals to 180 degree. Now again you will take the like terms together. So here you will take 10 to the right hand side. So it will become -10. So can I write like this? 5x equals to 180 minus 10. So it will become 5x equals to 180 minus 10 will be 170. Now 5x means 5 multiplied by x. Again we will take like terms together. That means I will take 5 to the right hand side. So here it was multiplication. So when it goes here it will become division. So can I write like this? X equals to 170 by 5. Yes or no? Now can we cancel 170 and 5? Yes, because in the table of 5 170 is going. So we will cancel it out. 5 one time and here 5 3 ja 15, 2 is remainder, 20 becomes, and 5 4 ja 20. So what will be the value of x? Value of x will be 34. Okay, so I will put this 34 in 2x minus 10 and 3x plus 20. So I will write, therefore measurement of angle AOC equals to 2x minus 10 equals to 2x means 2 multiplied by 34 minus 10. So 2 into 34 will be 68. Yes or no? 68 minus 10 equals to 68 minus 10 will be 58 degree. Is it clear? And what will be the measurement of angle COB? COB equals to 3x plus 20. Now 3x means 3 into 24 plus 20. So 3 into 24 will be 4 3 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6 and 7. So 72 plus 20 equals to 92 degree. Is it clear? And if you want to confirm whether your answer is right or wrong, you can add it. That is 58 plus 92 करके देखो कितना आ रहा है. Okay class, now when we add 58 and 92, we are getting wrong answer. Yes or no? 8 plus 2 10 and 9 plus 5 14 15. 150 is coming. Now do you know why? See here, I have written what? 24 and the value of x is 34. Okay, so we will write 34 here. It was my mistake, so correct it. It is 3 into 34. Now when you multiply 34 into 3, it will become 34 3 ja 4 3 ja 12 3 3 ja 9 10. That is 102. And 102 plus 20 will be 122. Now 122 plus 58 will be 180 degree. Is it clear? Okay, so it was my mistake. Instead of writing 24, you have to write 34 because the value of x is 34. So 34 into 3 will be 102 and 102 plus 20 will be 122 degree. So your measurement of angle AOC is 58 degree and a measurement of angle COB will be 122 degree. Is it clear?